नमोऽस्त्वनन्ताय सहस्रमूर्तये सहस्रपादाक्षशिरोर्वाहवे सहस्रनाम्ने पुरुषाय शाश्वते सहस्रकोटि विगधारिणे नमः.
One second. Photo Suresh Ukkar. Hari Ukkar ma. Photo le bas Ukkar ga.
प्रियमेधासोच्यता अच्युतपुत्रकावतपूर्ण दृष्ट्वा च्यता गन्धद्वारां दुरादर्शां नित्यपुष्टां करीशिनीं ईश्वरीं सर्वभूतानां तां योपक्वये श्रियं सुमङ्गलीं वधूरिमागं समेतपश्यता सौभाग्यमस्येदत्वायाधास्तं विपरेतना. गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरुसाक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः. गुरवे सर्वलोकानां विषये भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. इवं वस्त्राणि वसावसाधे युवोरच्छिद्रां तवो हसर्गाः अवातिरत्मन्वतानि विश्वत्तेन मित्रावरणा सचेते सुमङ्गलीर्यं वधूरिमागं समेतपश्यता सौभाग्यमस्ये दत्त्वा याधास्तमपिरेतना इमां त्वमिन्द्रमीध्वस्तु पुत्रागं सुभगां कृणु दशास्यां पुत्रानाधीहि पतिमेकादशिं कृधि रोचनो रोचमानः शोभनः शोभमानः कल्याणः वागीशाद्याः सुमनः सर्वाद्धानामक्रमे यन्नत्वा कृतकृत्यासुतं नमामि गजाननं यस्शिवो नाम रूपाभ्यां या देवी सर्वमङ्गला तयो संपूर्णात् पुंसां सर्वतो जयमङ्गलम्. रोचनो रोचमानः शोभनः शोभमानः कल्याणः शताय स्वाहेत्याः शतायुर्वै पुरुषः शतवीर्याः आयुरेव वीर्यमवरुन्धे सहस्राय स्वाहेत्याः आयुर्वै सहस्रम् आयुरेवावरुन्धे सर्वस्मै स्वाहेत्याः अपरिमितमेवावरुन्धे.
greatest day in my career and my life today. I could at least little bit of Guru Dakshina I can do to my Guru, my brother, my father figure, whatever it is. And I don't have more words to say. I am so pleased. I'm quenched. My thirst is quenched, literally speaking. Because God has been very kind with all of us anyway. Maybe He's little kinder with me because I don't stand even 100 miles behind Him in talent or voice or whatever it is. But still I could sit along with Him, and He has come to bless me on this occasion. My entire family, the entire music fraternity is grateful to Dr. Swarabrahma Yesudas and his family. And we all pray that he should live long and he should sing and bless the entire world with his Gandharva Ganam. We are very grateful for both of them having come here. I don't speak anything more. I just want to take the blessings of Anna. I hand over the mic to Anna.
எல்லாம் வல்ல இறைவனுக்கு என்னுடைய கூட மை பார்ட் ஆஃப் பிரபா ஆல்சோ. அன்றைக்கி சேர்ந்துருக்கோம் எல்லோரும் சேர்ந்துட்டு அந்த பரந்தாமனுக்கு எங்களுடைய பிரார்த்தனையை அர்ப்பித்துக் கொள்கிறோம். Today everything happens controls by the ultimate God. I'm so grateful to Him that He given me the most His blessings, that is music, and He is also a part of it. And He is not only my brother. Actually, I don't have any words to say. Brother means that is actually different, but ekam actually dvaitam illa. Dvaitam not two. We are one actually. We came through this part of music. So she is the blessed mother for us, the Saraswati. And he mentions always, he never learned. He never learned anything. Should not say that. But Janma, he did learn from so many experiences, and he reached in a position, very high position. Position means not that the musical position. I mean the way what he did in front of the world, everybody felt it. Everybody knows it. So what I am telling, he need not to repeat it again. That everybody knows that he is the great singer. Why? The blessings of the Saraswati Devi. And one thing I'll tell you, today happened to be my birth nakshatra. This is not fixed to anybody. That is fixed by the eternal power. And actually, it started now in the evening, and it ends in the morning actually. And I'm so happy that I could come with my own Balu. From my heart, I'm blessing my prayers to the family, and both should be happily live more and more and more for the music. And of course, son also. So many programs, so many. When I got a concert, I never moved from home. This is the only one made me to come here. Means that I'm not telling proudly. I'm not doing that. No, the respect which I give to Saraswati Devi. That today I got a concert. I never go to anywhere. But today why I came means my own Balu. For him I came. And such a Such a feeling, and he made it me. I don't know what I'm going to. I couldn't. I'm controlling actually. I'm controlling a lot of things. Where I can't express any more, and be always with love and affection. One incident I will tell you. In Swiss, Paris, program முடிஞ்சு nothing, everybody, after the program, nobody will look after us. Their problem is over, then our program is over, and no food at all at hotel. And I just thought that, okay, what is in it? In my life, I lived without food for 3 days. So that practice given me one day, night, nothing will happen. And I just tried with the apple and just started to sleep. Then suddenly some voice came outside. Room service. But actually, a different sound. But he never produced his own sound. Then I can understand. That is Balu. But suddenly ஏதோ ஒரு மிமிக் பண்ணிட்டு ரூம் சர்வீஸ்ன்னு சொல்லிட்டு திறந்த உடனே பாலு வாஸ் வெயிட்டிங் வித் ரைஸ் அண்ட் ரசம் அண்ட் ஆல் தோஸ் திங்ஸ் இஸ் இட் இன்னொரு ஒரு கர்ப்ப பாத்திரத்தில் பிறந்தா தான் பிரதர் ஆகுமா? இல்லை. தட் இஸ் த சின்சியரிட்டி ஹி காட். அண்ட் அந்த சாப்பாடுன்னா மறக்கவே முடியாத சாப்பாடு, ருசியுள்ள சாப்பாடு லைஃப்பில். எனக்கு எவன் வந்து போட்டாலும் அது வராது. அதுதான் எனக்கு என்னுடைய தொட்ட தம்பி. நிறைய தம்பிங்க இருக்காங்க, நிறைய தம்பிங்களெல்லாம் இருக்கும். பட் ஆக்சுவலி ஹீ இஸ் மை ஓன் தம்பி. தட்ஸ் த ஒன்லி திங் ஐ கேன் சே. அண்ட் ஐ ப்ரே த ஆல்மைட்டி காட் கிவ் ஹிம் the strength and happiness in his life. That's the only prayer I can do. Thank you so much.